Hi y'all, it's after Christmas and I'm going to go take the dogs out for a little walkie in the front yard. Okay, come on puppies.
Make sure you adjust the volume on there.
I will. Come on, let's get in the snow. Mo Tootie, come here. Come on, boogers. Mo Tootie, come on. Come on, puppies. Come on, Tootie. Come here, Tootie. Hi, my baby. Mocha, get back here. Come on. Mo.
It won't back. I was gonna make a snowman.
Oh well.
Come here, Mo.
He always has to wander off.
Come here.
Booger. Surprised he isn't rolling by now.
You will. Give me a chance.
Oh, come on, Mo, get in the snow. Come on, you booger. You know you want to.
It won't back at all.
Come on. Come on. Come on, Mo. He's scared. Usually he isn't. Mocha, come on.
Come on, T.
Come on. Uh-oh, he's staring at something.
Mo, come on. Mocha. Mocha!
Oh, no.
Say, get over here. Get over here. Tard.
No, Mo, he keeps staring.
Come here.
Oh, stay, Mo, stay. You too, Tootie.
Mo, come here.
No, don't even think it.
Woo, that's really
Mom, don't. You'll get still with the camcorder. Tootie, knock it off. Go on. Boogers. Sorry we can't do any snow people. At least I was able to do that one snowbird this year.
It's pure powder.
Mo, don't even think it.
Quit yelling at him. Come on, Mo.
And that was after Christmas, jumpy around with the dogs. See you next time, YouTubers.